of Hindus, the minorities in Bangladesh, has forced the world to wake up and take note of the plight that Hindus are being targeted under the Muhammad Yunus interim administration. ISKCON, the International Society for Krishna, as far as when it comes to being on the radar of the fundamentalists ever since the fall of the Sheikh Hasina government, not just Chinmoy Krishna Das, the face of the Hindu resistance in Bangladesh, even his followers have now been taken into custody. They have been arrested while they were returning after meeting Chinmoy Krishna Das in jail. We're also getting the latest information that around 54 ISKCON monks have been denied entry into India and they were turned back at the Banapur border checkpoint by Bangladesh's immigration police despite having valid papers so far. So from Mumbai to Montreal, the support is only building. It is growing for persecuted Hindus who have always been targeted as far as in Bangladesh is concerned, owing to the growing crisis that have been witnessed in the last few months. Let's give you more details, especially when it comes to this protest that has now been amplified on part of Indians, the Hindus there, who are voicing their support for the Hindus in Bangladesh.
Vishwa Hindu Parishad has organized a mega protest against the atrocities against Hindus in Bangladesh. This is in Jantar Mantar, and currently we're at the spot. Request my camera person Tanvi to also show you here the visuals. You can see that there are several placards that have also been placed here, and the placards are reading Hinduon ka tiraskar band kare, which essentially means that Hindus should not be tortured in Bangladesh. And in fact, they're also urging the Bangladesh government to stop torturing the Hindus, to make sure comes down. They're asking the Bangladesh government to make sure that the Hindus are protected and can be kept safe. In fact, you can see here several people have arrived here, and there are several saints who are also sitting there in orange robes that are present here. In fact, towards the other side as well, you can see there are several people who have come here, and this is the scene at the moment. This is the VHP which is holding a protest.
All right, let's get in a word from our reporters as well who are joining in. Pooja and Ritik joining us right now. Ritik, if you can help us understand, as far as this movement is concerned, the way the voices are now being amplified, how Hindus in India are registering their protest in support for Hindus in Bangladesh.
Let me cut across to this visual. We are currently live from the Petrapol border, which shares the border between India and Bangladesh. Let me tell you, in a very short while from now, the leader of the opposition, Shubhendu Adhikari, is planned to hold a huge protest at this border, and we can see that a huge crowd on the streets, and they have gathered over here to protest against what exactly happening their side of Bangladesh, in which Hindu minorities are being targeted. A huge protest is being organized by Shubhendu Adhikari. What we can see, the spectators of Bharatiya Janata Party and of course common people, they are coming at the Petrapol border in huge number. A huge police bandobast has been done over here. But let me also tell you what is happening. Since this morning, it's been a couple of hours. We try to get the narrative from the people crossing this side of the land and through this Petrapol border. We spoke to many devotees, ISKCON devotees who resides there in Bangladesh. They narrate the horrific experiences they are facing there in Bangladesh. Said they are being threatened and they are trying to come to this side of the border and of India.
Right.
And so these are the things that's happening, because all eyes are fixed to this particular Shubhendu Adhikari's dharna that is going to take place in a short while from now at this Petrapol border.
We'll keep an eye out on the developments taking place as far as Shubhendu Adhikari leading this dharna is concerned. Let's talk about the Chief Minister of the state of West Bengal. What we are getting to know that Mamata Banerjee